It is the second of the third month of 1443. And I am presenting from the 15th of the ninth month of 1436, joining an inner Satsang spiritual exercise and lesson 4 of the Dream 2 Discourses, was, the name of the paper. The illustration on page 76 is the Eckankar projection of Shams Tabrizi, not as a Shiite Muslim, but as a glowing God-man. Most would say that the enlightenment of one can uplift many, but through their legacy of teaching and deeds, instead of as an angelic being that visits people in their inner worlds while not physically present. And so the physical individual lived in what's now called Iran, born in Tabriz, and died in Khoi, and lived around 1185 to 1248 of the Bulgar era. And encounters with him helped provoke the poetry and certain aspects of the teaching of Jalal ad-Din Muhammad Balkhi, most commonly known as Rumi. And I've gone into more of that elsewhere,